up, people? You're watching Culinary Image, and today's episode is dedicated to some of my vegetarian friends who've been sending me a lot of messages on my Instagram recently asking me, hey, when are you gonna do some more vegetarian dishes? So today's recipe is dedicated for you, my friends. Today's recipe is a very popular dish in Iran called cashewgurt. It is very similar to baba ganoush. The concept is the same. Now bear in mind, guys, this is not your traditional Persian recipe. I've infused it with a little bit of my touch. One, by adding the barberries to it. Two, I decided not to fry the eggplants. Instead, we decided to bake them. Thirdly, we decided not to grind the eggplants into a paste. Instead, I decided to bake it and keep it nice and whole. So guys, I hope you enjoy cooking this simple recipe, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And without wasting any further time, let's go and start cooking.